Amigos, it's Senora Davis, and here are your directions for today, el 18 de febrero. So today we're starting a new grammar topic, which are irregular yo verbs, or I call them yogo verbs sometimes. So first thing you need to do is print off the notes that I have for you here. If you don't have a printer, please use line paper and handwrite your notes. You must have a paper copy of notes in order to help you out with your assignments for this week. So it's very important if you don't print them, that you handwrite them somewhere so you can have them to access. So yogo verbs basically are verbs that have an irregular yo form. So you'll use this Edpuzzle video to help you fill out the notes and do some practices with it. And then once you have filled those out, you're going to do a table worksheet to practice the different conjugations of those yogo verbs. So for this table worksheet, you'll see the verb off to the left. These are the 10 verbs that we're talking about in this section. And then you're going to conjugate them in all 5 forms. So all of these have an irregular yo form. Some of them have irregular forms for the rest of them, but for the most part, they are just normal verbs as far as conjugations go. So pay attention to if you're using AR, ER, or IR verb endings, and use your notes to help you fill out those irregularities. Remember, with these puzzle piece assignments, if you submit it and see you didn't do too well on it, please do it again so you can make sure that you're doing things correctly. Because we're aiming to understand, we're not aiming to complete. And then the last thing that's on here is just a music video for you for the week, De Otra Planeta. It uses some of these yogo verbs in it, so if you want to give it a listen, go ahead. Remember that your quiz from yesterday over chores is due by noon today, and all assignments for chores are due as well. If you don't get your quizzes done on time, then you have to do all of your assignments, and you only have 2 weeks to make those up, and you're just falling further behind. So please make sure you're getting all your work, all your quizzes done and submitted in time. If you have any questions or you need any help, please let me know. Adios.